What if you could stay calm no matter what life throws at you? Wealth or poverty, success or failure, even pain and death. That's exactly what Stoicism teaches. Let's break down Stoicism, simply. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that started around 300 BC. It was founded by Zeno of Citium, later developed by thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. At its core, Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about training your mind to focus on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot. Stoicism's big ideas: control what you can, accept what you can't. The Stoics believed life is divided into two categories: things within your control, your thoughts, actions, and choices; things outside your control, other people, the past, the weather, even your reputation. Happiness, they said, comes from focusing only on the first category. Virtue is the only true good. For Stoics, the goal of life is to live with virtue: wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. External things like money, status, or pleasure are not true goods. They might be nice, but they don't make you a good person. See hardship as training. Stoics taught that challenges are opportunities to grow stronger. If someone insults you, it's a chance to practice patience. If you lose something, it's a chance to remember that nothing outside yourself truly belongs to you. Memento mori. Remember death. Stoics often reminded themselves, life is short. Instead of being depressing, this thought helps you value time, focus on what matters, and not waste energy on trivial things. Why Stoicism still matters. It offers practical tools for stress, anger, and anxiety. Modern leaders, athletes, and entrepreneurs still quote Marcus Aurelius' meditations or Epictetus' teachings. In a noisy, unpredictable world, Stoicism feels more relevant than ever. Stoicism is about focusing on what you can control, living with virtue, and treating every challenge as a chance to grow. To keep your mind sharp, subscribe to Philosophy Explained Simply and explore wisdom that still shapes our world.